Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers on a Lexus GS 350. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition turned off. To protect your windshield, place a thick towel or a piece of cardboard beneath the wiper arm before you begin. This simple preparation helps prevent accidental damage. Now let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. Look for a small tab or button on the wiper blade connector where it meets the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the hook. Once the blade is detached, carefully lower the wiper arm back down to avoid it snapping onto the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and slide its connector onto the wiper arm hook. Push it firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it won't slide off. Then, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their operation to ensure they move smoothly and clear the glass effectively without streaking. For optimal visibility and safety, it's generally recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. Remember to dispose of your old blades properly. Great job! You've successfully changed your wipers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.